Starting around 02 August 2023, Nexo for the most part is exchanging at 65 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.42% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking, or so they generally thought. Nexo sort of has an especially complete market cap of $365,113,248, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,844,160. Lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. This actually certainly makes Nexo sort of lovely positioning at 93 in the digital money market, which most certainly is genuinely huge. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Nexo in every practical sense be, all things considered, worth in 2023 in a very enormous way? Is Nexo a sort of wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? Amazingly, will Nexo cost especially certainly outperform its record-breaking high, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking? These essentially generally are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, which generally for the most part is genuinely critical. Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo cost explicitly generally is supposed to sort of cross and in every practical sense, normal value level of 76 cents, the normal pretty by and large least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the especially current year, to sort of be 73 cents in a pretty in every practical sense, significant way in a significant way. Besides, Nexo can generally arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of 82 cents. Nexo value expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Nexo cost by and large is estimate to arrive at a practically the most reduced cost of 62 cents in a significant manner. The Nexo cost could by and large arrive at a most extreme cost of 70 cents, with the sort of typical expected cost around 68 cents, or so they really thought. Nexo value expectation September 2023. The cost of Nexo essentially is anticipated to by and large most certainly reach at a kind of for the most part least worth of 67 cents in September 2023, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Nexo cost could for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest worth of 73 cents, with the actually certainly normal exchanging worth of 70 cents all through 2023, in a kind of enormous manner. Nexo value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Nexo sort of is estimated to fundamentally be at around a sort of kind of least worth of 70 cents, or so they especially in every way that really matters thought. The Nexo value worth can sort of arrive at a limit of 76 cents, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of 72 cents in United States dollars, which is genuinely critical, in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo value gauge November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Nexo essentially certainly is supposed to generally arrive at a quite least value worth of 71 cents, so the Nexo cost could explicitly for the most part arrive at a truly greatest worth of 73 cents, with the very normal exchanging worth of 70 cents all through 2023, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Nexo cost could by and large arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of 79 cents, with the in every practical sense, truly normal cost around 75 cents. Showing that Nexo in every way that really matters, especially has an in every practical sense, complete market cap of $365,113,248, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,844,160, or so they especially thought. Nexo value gauge December 2023. The Nexo estimate for December 2023 expects that the Nexo might arrive at and in every practical sense, most extreme worth of 82 cents, with an exceptionally least cost of around 73 cents, or so they certainly thought in an unobtrusive manner. Discussing the by and large normal value, Nexo can for the most part stretch around 76 cents for December. Nexo truly passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of for the most part has been explicitly truly diminished by 0.37% in its pretty commonly current worth in a by and large truly significant manner, which is very critical. Assuming we by and large analyze the very truly current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, in spite of mainstream thinking. From especially most recent 7 days, the Nexo explicitly in a real sense was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.21%, showing how in a real sense is Nexo an especially wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2023, decently in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking, which is genuinely huge. Nexo for the most part has shown certainly kind of solid fundamentally certainly potential of late, and this could be actually essentially great chance to basically in every way that really matters, dive right in and contribute, most certainly kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Inside the fundamentally very most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo explicitly diminished by 9.371%, disposing of an incredible reasonably truly normal amount of $0.067 from its extremely current worth, essentially further appearance. How Nexo value figure October 2023. In October 2023 the cost of Nexo generally basically is estimated to essentially be at around and especially least worth of 70 cents in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally really be a great in every practical sense, for the most part purchase a potential open door for in every way that really matters, genuinely fast venture, showing how Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Nexo cost essentially explicitly is supposed to especially cross a by and large normal value level of 76 cents, the normal sort of least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the extremely current year, ought to be 73 cents in a sort of enormous manner, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 22.56%. And the cost explicitly circled from an exceptionally least entirely normal cost of 79 cents to truly most extreme genuinely normal cost of 86 cents in the beyond 90 days amazingly. Nexo in every practical sense, by and large is somewhere near 11.89%, with the extremely greatest genuinely normal cost of the coin, by and large was around 67 cents. And the especially least actually truly normal cost of actually essentially was around 65 cents in truly beyond 4 months in an unpretentious way. Nexo value figure 2023 facts. What will generally be Nexo worth in 2023? Pretty genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking, which in a real sense is very huge. The Nexo cost vary all goals and objects is determined to for the most part arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of 82 cents, with by and large least cost of 73 cents. Toward the finish of 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. Does Nexo in a real sense have a future, especially genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking? As far as value, Nexo for the most part has a remarkable extremely potential to generally arrive at new levels, or so they by and large thought. It in every practical sense, essentially is conjecture that Nexo will increment in esteem, or so they thought, as per by and large